What if you can charge your electric car in just 5 minutes? The electric vehicle charging is usually a time-consuming activity. That's one of the main concerns for an electric vehicle owner. Now with the latest technology, you can charge your electric car in 5 minutes. Now an Israeli startup named StarDot has developed a lithium-ion battery that can be fully charged in 5 minutes. The StarDot is a pioneer in fast charging techniques. Today we are going to discuss about this ultra-fast charging technique. The CEO of StarDot says that the number one barrier to the adoption of electric vehicles is no longer cost. It is the range anxiety. You are either afraid that you are going to get stuck on the highway or you are going to need to sit in a charging station for 2 hours. But if the experience of the driver is exactly like fueling, this whole anxiety goes away. The electric vehicle owners struggled with range anxiety and high price for electric vehicles at the beginning of 21st century. Gasoline cars were superior in both these parameters. Eventually, electric vehicle becomes more and more advanced and refined. They started a revolution in automotive industry. Now let's discuss the technology behind this 5 minutes charging. According to the company, it follows a holistic approach in formulating the products. Advanced tools such as artificial intelligence and machine learning is also used to develop this battery. Graphite serves as one of the electrode in existing lithium-ion batteries, where lithium ions are pushed to store charge. However, when this is rapidly charged, the ions become clogged and can convert to metal, and it short circuits the battery. The StarDot battery uses semiconductor nanoparticles instead of graphite to allow ions to move through more rapidly and readily. Currently, these nanoparticles are made up of germanium. The company plans to employ less expensive silicon. The silicon prototypes are expected to be ready by end of this year. There have been fast charging prototypes being tested and launched in the past, but the StarDot's 5 minutes charging stands out because of a few reasons. The first one is that thousands of prototypes have already been tested in real world situations. The battery is manufactured in real product line instead of laboratories. It is still a lithium-ion battery but enhanced with a few powerful modifications in design and materials. Industry giants such as Daimler, British Petroleum and Samsung are investing heavily in this company. Aside from that, the StarDot is developing second generation of batteries that will be cheaper. The company claims that the design process of the current battery will take around 4 to 5 years. Do you know that the fast charging battery requires fast charging stations? In this situation, electric vehicle charging stations requires an upgrade, and StarDot is collaborating with British Petroleum that has 18,500 fuel filling stations. Let's expect that they will install charging stations as well. The StarDot selects only big giants for collaboration. The reason might be they want to leverage from a startup to a big company. There are some other developments in the electric vehicle charging industry. The thermal management of an electric vehicle battery is very important during the fast charging. The battery temperature has to be kept at a particular range to enable the fast charging. Anyway, it's a good news that there are developments in the fast charging technology. Let's hope a battery in the market that charges very quickly in the near future itself. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video, please tap the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and enable the notifications to get notified when I publish every single video. Here we have a video about the top 5 technological trends that you have to keep an eye on. See you there in that video.